Hello, Emily. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to practice English together.
It really is, Paul. I am feeling very energetic today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling wonderful, thank you. I have my tea, the sun is shining, and I am ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. You are always in a good mood, Paul. It makes me happy.
I try my best. Life is good. But Emily, tell me, why are you so energetic today?
Well, I looked at the calendar this morning and I realized something very exciting.
Oh? What did you realize? Is it your birthday?
No, not my birthday, but it is a very special time of year. It is holiday season.
Ah, yes, you are right. It is that time of year. The end of the year is coming.
Exactly. And when the year ends, many people do something very fun.
I know what you're thinking about. You are thinking about vacation.
Yes, vacation. That is our topic for today. Let's talk about vacation.
Wow, I love this topic. Everyone loves vacation. It is the best time.
It is. Many families travel in December or January. It is a time to relax.
Yes, and it is a time to stop working for a few days. No work, just fun.
Yes, no emails, no meetings, no reports, just free time.
Before we start talking about our dream vacations, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please. If you are learning English with us and having fun, please subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English.
And share this episode with your friends. Maybe your friends like travel too.
Yes, share it. Okay, Emily, let's talk about travel.
Okay, so Paul, when you think of a perfect vacation, what do you see?
That is a good question. Let me think.
Do you see snow or do you see sand?
Oh, definitely sand. I am a summer person. I love the beach.
I knew it! You like the warm weather.
I do. My perfect vacation is on a beach. The sun is hot, the water is blue, and I have a cold drink in my hand.
That sounds very relaxing. Just sitting and listening to the ocean.
Yes, the sound of the ocean is beautiful. Whoosh, whoosh. It helps me sleep.
You want to sleep on the beach?
Maybe a little nap. What about you, Emily? Do you like the beach?
I like the beach, but I prefer the mountains.
The mountains? Ooh, that is different. Why the mountains?
I love nature. I love green trees, and I like the fresh air.
Ah, fresh air is very good. Is it cold in the mountains?
Sometimes, but I like walking. I like hiking up the mountain.
Hiking? Wow, you are very active. On my vacation, I am lazy.
Lazy is okay. Vacation is for resting. But I like to see beautiful views from the top of the mountain.
That is true. The view is always amazing. So we have two types of vacation, the relaxing beach vacation and the active mountain vacation.
Yes, but there's another type, the city vacation.
Oh yes, visiting a new city. That is very popular too.
Do you like city trips, Paul?
I do. I like to visit big cities like London or New York or Paris.
What do you do in the city?
I like to go to museums. I like to learn about history.
Museums are great. They are very interesting and quiet.
Yes, and I like to look at the buildings, the architecture.
And the food. A city vacation is great for food.
Oh, Emily, you are so right. Food is the most important part of a vacation.
Is it?
Yes, when I travel, I want to eat new things. I want to try the local food.
Me too. If I go to Italy, I want pasta. If I go to Japan, I want sushi.
Exactly. Calories do not count on vacation.
I agree. We can eat ice cream every day.
Okay, so we know where to go. But, Emily, how do we get there?
Ah, transport. That is a big part of the trip.
Some people like to fly. They take an airplane.
Do you like airplanes, Paul?
I like that they are fast. I can go to another country in a few hours.
That is true, but airports can be stressful.
Very stressful. Long lines, many people. Where is my passport? Where is my ticket?
Yes, you must always check your pockets. Passport, phone, ticket.
But I like looking out the window on the plane. I like to see the clouds.
The clouds are pretty, but I prefer a road trip.
A road trip? Driving a car?
Yes, I love driving. You can put on some good music, you can sing with your friends.
That sounds fun. And you can stop when you want.
Exactly. If you see a nice park, you can stop. If you are hungry, you can stop. You are free.
That is a good point. With a plane, you must follow the schedule. With a car, you make the schedule.
Yes, but driving takes a long time.
It does. Are we there yet?
5 more hours.
So, we have a destination, and we have transport. Now, we need to pack.
Oh no, packing.
You don't like packing?
I am very bad at packing, Paul.
Why? Do you forget things?
No, I take too many things.
Too many things?
Yes, I think maybe I need this sweater. Maybe I need these shoes. Maybe I need this book.
And then your suitcase is very heavy.
So heavy, I can't lift it.
I'm the opposite. I pack very light.
Really? Just a small bag?
Yes, a few t-shirts, some shorts, my toothbrush, that is all.
Wow, that is impressive. But what if it rains? Do you have a jacket?
No.
See, you need to pack more.
Maybe you are right. One time I forgot my swimsuit.
You went to the beach without a swimsuit?
Yes, it was terrible. I had to buy one at the hotel shop. It was very expensive.
Oh no, that is a funny story. So, lesson for our listeners. Make a list.
Yes, a packing list is very helpful. Swimsuit should be number 1.
And passport number 2.
Definitely. But Emily, vacations can be expensive.
That is true. Hotels are expensive, plane tickets are expensive.
What if we don't have a lot of money? Can we still have a vacation?
Of course, we can have a staycation.
A staycation. That is a fun word. What does it mean?
It is a mix of stay and vacation. It means you have a vacation at your own house.
Ah, so you don't travel, you stay home.
Yes, but you don't work. You act like a tourist in your own city.
I like that idea. I can sleep late in my own bed.
Yes, you can go to a park in your city. You can go to a new restaurant near your house.
And it is cheap. No hotel, no airplane.
Exactly. It is very relaxing. Sometimes travel is tiring.
It is. Sometimes I come home from a trip and I am so tired. I need a vacation from my vacation.
I know that feeling. I need to sleep for 3 days.
So a staycation is a great idea. Just relax at home. Read a book, watch a movie.
Yes, the important thing is to disconnect.
Disconnect. That is a good word.
It means turn off your phone. Don't look at your work emails.
That is hard for some people.
It is hard. We are always on our phones. But for a real vacation, you need to stop.
I agree. Your brain needs a break.
Yes, spend time with your family. Talk to your children. Talk to your friends.
Or just be quiet. Silence is nice too.
Very nice.
You know, Emily, talking about this, I really want a vacation now.
Me too. I want to go to the mountains.
And I want to go to the beach.
We are very different, Paul, but we can still be friends.
Yes, we can. Maybe we can take 2 vacations.
That is the best solution.
There is one more thing about vacation, the memories.
Ah, yes, memories.
I love taking photos.
Photos are great. They help you remember the happy times.
Do you take many photos, Emily?
I do. I take photos of the view and photos of my food.
Of course, the food.
But sometimes I try to put the camera away
Why?
because I want to see with my eyes, not just with the camera.
That is very wise. Be in the moment.
Yes, enjoy the moment. Feel the wind, smell the flowers.
Wow, that is beautiful. A vacation is for the senses.
Exactly.
Well, this was a very fun chat. I feel like I just went on a small trip with you.
Me too. It was a nice break.
Let's help our listeners remember the important ideas we talked about. A little recap.
Good idea. Let's remember together.
So, first, we talked about where to go.
Yes, you like the beach with the sun and sand, and I like the mountains with the trees and hiking.
And we also talked about city trips, museums, history, and food.
Yes, don't forget the food.
Then we remembered how to travel.
We can fly in an airplane. It is fast, but airports are busy.
Or we can drive a car, a road trip. It is fun, and you can listen to music.
We also talked about packing.
Yes, don't pack too much, like Emily.
Hey, and don't forget your swimsuit like Paul.
Touché. And finally, we talked about the staycation.
Yes, staying home to relax, it saves money and is very comfortable.
And the most important rule, disconnect. No work.
Perfect recap, Paul. I think we are ready for a holiday.
I am definitely ready.
But before we go pack our bags, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, please tell us, where is your dream vacation?
Ooh, good question. Do you want to go to the beach, the mountains, a big city, or maybe Disneyland?
Tell us in English. We love reading your travel dreams.
It is great practice for your writing, too.
So please, write a